In this video, let me show you how to delete your BeReal account. Welcome back to this tutorial video on Howgenic. For whatever reason you're trying to delete your BeReal account, let me show you the quick steps you'll need to follow. Just head over to the profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Once you're inside of settings, you'll need to head over to other. Inside of other, you'll see this option called delete account. Now this is not a permanent deletion. If you tap on yes, I'm sure, your account will still be active for 15 days unless you again log in. Only then your account will be deleted. So if you change your mind within 15 days, you can again log in back and then your account will be reactivated. It says right here you will be logged out immediately and your account and all of your data will be scheduled to be permanently deleted. If you log in within those 15 days, your account will no longer be deleted. So this is kind of a deactivation rather than deletion. But if you don't log in within 15 days, your account will be deleted. So you can select a reason before you do and then tap on yes, I'm sure. That's all there is for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving it a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.